In this video, I want to talk about how you can remove buy and sell arrows inside of TradingView. So I'm quickly going to show you the different ways to do this. Now the first one is if you're just having the buy and sell up here, you can remove this easily by going into the settings and doing like this. Now the second one is you can also do for the executions if you don't want them to be there. And if you have the buy and sell orders arrows on the candlesticks, it's probably because of an indicator. So what you can do is find the indicator here on the left hand side. Now since I only have one indicator, you can only see this one, but if I just add another one, you will see it's gonna be on the left hand side. And then what you can do is you can click on the trash icon to remove it, and then you will no longer see the arrows. Now these indicators are typically buy and sell indicators, so just keep that in mind. If you have those, it's gonna show those. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.